It drifts in the outer darkness, nearly 3 billion kilometers from the warmth of the sun. Pale, mysterious, almost forgotten. Uranus, seventh planet from the sun, is a world of contradictions. A planet that rolls rather than spins. A place where seasons last for decades, where the sun barely rises, and the atmosphere hides more than it reveals. For centuries, it was a quiet enigma in our night sky, barely visible, rarely discussed. But as our telescopes sharpened and our probes passed by, we discovered that Uranus is not so quiet after all. Beneath its serene, icy blue appearance is a world of extremes. Wild winds that roar faster than Earth's most powerful hurricanes. Enormous, shifting cloud systems. Sudden, massive storms that appear and disappear without warning. This is the weather of Uranus, strange, violent, and still largely unknown. And its story might reshape what we think we know about planetary atmospheres. To understand Uranus, we must first confront its most unusual feature, its tilt. Unlike every other planet in the solar system, Uranus doesn't spin upright. Instead, it lies on its side, tilted over at 98 degrees. Its north pole points almost directly at the sun for part of its orbit, and then away from it for another part. This means its seasons aren't just strange, they're extreme. Each pole experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. For a gas giant, this has staggering implications. The heat from the sun, already faint at this distance, distributes unevenly. One hemisphere can be baking in weak, relentless light while the other is plunged into deep, frigid night. Then, slowly they switch. But this strange rotation isn't just cosmetic. It warps the planet's weather systems. It twists its magnetic field. And it might explain why Uranus behaves so differently from its siblings, particularly when it comes to storms. From a distance, Uranus appears calm, quietly spinning in a soft turquoise haze. Its color comes from methane in its upper atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. But that haze also hides its true character. Beneath that pastel layer lies a churning world of gases, primarily hydrogen and helium, with traces of methane, water, and possibly ammonia. Unlike Jupiter or Saturn, Uranus lacks prominent belts or bands. There are no obvious storm systems, or so it seemed for years. For a long time, astronomers believed Uranus was one of the most featureless planets in the solar system. But that changed with time. As Uranus approached its equinox in 2007, and again as it began to rotate its once dark pole into sunlight, powerful telescopes detected rapid, dramatic changes in its cloud patterns. Using infrared imaging, scientists uncovered rapidly moving cloud features, spinning vortices, and giant convective storms erupting from the planet's deep atmosphere. Uranus, it turned out, was hiding a tempest. Among the most shocking discoveries about Uranus is its wind. Though the planet receives only a fraction of the sunlight Earth does, it somehow generates winds that reach 900 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane ever recorded on Earth. These winds whip through the upper atmosphere, sculpting cloud formations into narrow bands near the equator and forming dark spots and bright methane clouds at higher latitudes. What fuels these winds? That's the mystery. Unlike other gas giants, Uranus emits almost no internal heat. Jupiter and Saturn glow in infrared. They radiate more energy than they receive from the sun. But Uranus? Uranus is cold, still, and yet the winds rage. This contradiction puzzles scientists. Some theories suggest that heat from the planet's formation was somehow lost, perhaps due to a massive collision early in its history, the same event that likely tilted its axis. Others suggest that the energy source is buried deep inside, beyond our current ability to detect it. Whatever the cause, the winds of Uranus are among the most extreme and most enigmatic phenomena in the solar system. In 1986, NASA's Voyager 2 became the only spacecraft ever to visit Uranus. What it found was surprising: a bland world, seemingly quiet and inert. But Voyager 2 only saw one side of Uranus, during a season when its pole was pointed directly at the Sun. Years later, as Uranus rotated and its equator came into view, powerful telescopes on Earth and in orbit revealed a different face. Bright, transient storms began to appear. Some were massive, stretching thousands of kilometers across. Others came and went in days. In 2014, the Keck Observatory in Hawaii observed 8 major storm systems in a single session, some bright enough to be visible in amateur telescopes. These storms appear to erupt from deep within the planet, possibly as warm parcels of gas rise through the cold upper atmosphere, carrying methane and forming large, reflective clouds. They are chaotic, unpredicted, and completely at odds with the planet's formerly calm image. In just a few decades, Uranus has gone from featureless ball to volatile, storm-racked world. And we still don't know why. Beneath Uranus's strange weather lies an even stranger interior. The planet is thought to have a small rocky core, surrounded by a deep mantle of ices, water, ammonia, and methane in exotic forms. Above that lies its atmosphere, extending for thousands of kilometers. And within this structure is a wildly misaligned magnetic field, tilted 59 degrees from the planet's axis of rotation and offset far from the planet's center. This warped magnetosphere likely interacts with the atmosphere in complex ways, possibly influencing wind patterns, particle flows, and even the triggering of storms. But the biggest mystery remains: why is Uranus so cold? With a surface temperature around minus 224 degrees Celsius, it is the coldest planet in the solar system, even colder than Neptune, which lies farther from the Sun. Some theorize that a massive impact early in Uranus's history may have disrupted its internal heat flow, sealing in the warmth that should have escaped. If that's true, the planet's calm exterior may hide an ancient wound, one still shaping its atmosphere today. The weather of Uranus is more than a planetary curiosity. It challenges our assumptions about how atmospheres work, especially on worlds vastly different from our own. It shows us that sunlight isn't everything, that wind, storm, and weather can arise even in the darkest corners of the solar system. It reminds us that planetary behavior is shaped not only by distance from the Sun, but by history, composition, and the unseen forces within. Uranus also invites us to be humble. For decades, we assumed it was simple, dull, but it was only our lack of perspective that made it so. As our instruments improved, its true nature was revealed, stranger, wilder, and more dynamic than we ever expected. In its winds and storms, we find a reminder that even the quietest worlds have stories to tell. Uranus spins in solitude, tilted and distant, cloaked in soft light. But beneath that icy hue lies a planet in motion, its atmosphere alive with winds, storms, and secrets. For now, we can only glimpse it from afar, through the lenses of space telescopes and the echoes of Voyager's passing. But someday we may return, we may orbit, we may descend, and when we do, the winds of Uranus will speak. In roaring gusts and swirling clouds, they will tell us about heat and cold, light and shadow, history, and violence. They will tell us how a planet that looks like nothing can become everything. In the farthest reaches of the solar system, beyond the warmth and brightness of the inner worlds, Uranus reminds us the universe is never what it seems. The quietest planets hold the loudest truths,